वज़ीर ख़ारजा इसहाक़ डार का कहना है कि पाकिस्तान ख़ित्ते की सूरत हाल पर नज़र रखे हुए है और इलाक़ाई ममालिक के साथ राबते में है। तमाम ममालिक यूएन चार्टर की पाबंदी करते हुए एक दूसरी की खुद मुख्तारी और सालमियत का एहतराम करें। गैर मुल्की सफ़रा को ब्रीफ करते हुए उन्होंने वाज़ेह किया कि अफ़गानिस्तान से कलादम तंजीमों के दहशतगर्दों के हमलों के बाद पाकिस्तान के पास ऑपरेशन ग़ज़ब लिल हक़ के शुरू करने के अलावा कोई चारा नहीं बचा था।
Is obviously has now significantly heightened tension in a very already fragile and volatile environment. We are doing our full diplomatic efforts and requesting all parties to de-escalate and to refrain. Pakistan's position has been clear and persistent that all countries must abide by the principles of UN Charter and international law, including respect for the sovereignty and territorial integrity of other states, as well as international humanitarian law. Pakistan ask has been only one from Afghanistan, not a long list. Please do not allow the TTP, the BLA, the Majid Brigade, which have been proscribed by many countries, that to allow them or to provide the facilitation. This is the only issue we have. We had now no choice but to launch Operation Ghazbul Haq in response to repeated terrorist attacks by Fitna al-Khawarij and Fitna al-Hindustan against Pakistan emanating from Afghanistan soil, as well as the recent unwarranted and provocative actions by Afghan Taliban regime on the night of as late as 26th of February.